In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile picture. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your account shows the image you want. Before we begin, make sure the photo you want is saved on your computer in a common format like JPG or PNG. A clear, well-lit headshot works best, and square images usually fit nicely. Start by heading to the top right corner of your screen and clicking your profile icon. This is typically a small circle showing your current picture or your initials. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several account options. From that drop-down, select Account. This takes you to your account area, where you can manage your personal settings and preferences. If your interface looks a little different, just look for the section labeled Account or anything similar that controls your profile information. Next, go to the Settings tab and click Profile. The Settings tab may be in a side menu or along the top, depending on your layout, but it will lead you to the page where your personal details and profile picture live. The Profile section is the place to make appearance updates. On the Profile page, click your current profile picture or use the Edit or Change button if you see one. Both actions take you to the same update tool. This button might appear when you hover over the picture, so move your mouse over it if you don't see the option right away. Now upload a new image from your computer. Choose the file you prepared earlier. Most platforms support drag and drop, but selecting the file through the upload window works just as well. Aim for a high-resolution image so it looks crisp across devices. If a cropping tool appears, center your face and adjust the zoom so the image feels balanced. Keep an eye on any size or format prompts on the screen to ensure a smooth upload. Finally, click Save to update your profile picture. Give it a moment to process, and then look for a confirmation message or check that your new image appears in the top right corner. If it doesn't change immediately, a quick page refresh can help. Your new picture should now display across the app wherever your profile is shown. That's it. You clicked your profile icon, selected Account, opened Settings and Profile, edited the image, uploaded a new one, and saved. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your